Hello guys, I just wanted to walk you through a few things with your assignment this week. So when you go into the classroom, make sure you go up and click on classwork, and your assignment should be right at the top. When you click on it, it opens up and it has two links. The Boom Cards link will take you in and prompt you to find your name. And once you find your name, it should lead you to your assignment. Sorry about this. Okay, I don't think it'll do that to y'all, but if it does, just agree to that stuff. And then once you get in, you should be able to go, it should open up to this deck. And when you get to this Boom deck, it's kind of like Google Slides. You just follow the direction on each one. So this one says match the table with the correct equation that represents the relationship between x and y. So we want to see, what are we doing to x to get to y? So on this one, we're either multiplying 1 times 9 or we're adding 1 plus 8. So let's go to 2. 2 times 9 doesn't equal 10, does it? But 2 plus 8 does equal 10. 3 plus 8 equals 11. 4 plus 8 equals 12. So we're adding 8 to x to get y. So y equals x plus 8. So I'm going to find that equation. I'm going to drag it over. On the next one, to get from 3 to 12, I'm either adding or multiplying. So I would add 9 to get 12. Or I would multiply by 4. 5 times 4 doesn't equal 14, but 5 plus 9 does equal 14. 7 plus 9 is 16, and 9 plus 9 is 18. So I'm going to look at the one where we're adding 9 to x. So I'm going to choose this one, drag it over. The next one, we're either multiplying times 0 or adding 0. That doesn't work, does it? We could be multiplying times anything to get 0, couldn't we? Okay, so we must be multiplying by something, because 0 times anything is going to give us 0. So we're going to have to go down to these. Okay, so 5 times what gives me 85? I'm not sure, but I see a 10 here. And I know when I multiply by 10, all that does is add a 0 to the end. So if I look at it without that 0, I must have multiplied by 17. So 10 times 17 equals 170. So if I go check 5 times 17, 5 times 7 is 35. Carry my 3. And 5 times 1 is 5, plus that 3 gives me the 85. And then 15 times 17 is 255. So I'm multiplying by 17. So I'm going to choose this one, drag it over, and hopefully this one will be right. So this says 3 times x. So let's try it. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. 6 times 3 is 18, and 9 times 3 is 27. So I'm going to drag this over, and I'm going to submit my answer. And it tells me I'm correct, and my next card pops up. On this one, you're just going to choose one answer. Which table of values does not represent y equals x plus 8? So let's check. We're adding 8 to x. 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. 3 plus 8 is 11. 4 plus 8 is 12. So that one looks good. 3 plus 8 is 11. 5 plus 8 is 13. 7 plus 8 is 15. 9 plus 8 is 17. That one looks good. 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 4 plus 8 is 14. 4 plus 8 is 12. And 6 plus 8 is 14. 8 plus 8 does not give me 10. 16 plus 8 does not give me 18. So I see that this is my answer. So I'm going to click it, and my next one will pop up. Okay. On the next one, it says the graph shown represents the rule y equals x plus 2. Which table contains values that represent the rule? So, x plus 2, I'm looking at my x. 0 plus 2 doesn't give me 0, so it can't be this one. 0 plus 2 does give me 2. 1 plus 2 gives me 3. 2 plus 2 gives me 4. And 3 plus 2 gives me 5. So that one looks good. 0 plus 2 does not give me 1. And 2 plus 2 does not give me 3. So it looks like it's answer B. Okay, I'm going to let you try the rest of them on your own. One more thing, remember, if a graph does not start at the origin, then it is an additive relationship. If it goes through the origin, right here, it's multiplicative. But if it starts up, if it crosses up from the origin, it is not multiplicative, it is additive. Okay? All right. I hope you have a great day. I hope this helps you with this part of the assignment. If you have more questions, please let me know. Thank you.